My first full train on this layout. Thomas is dragging it because I've just finished servicing Thomas, and I've got a Cadbury wagon, a CNA, a couple of milk, Shell, CIG, Nord stands, and a guards van. So whoop whoop. So it's out of some of those that I've cleaned out the other day. So there we are. Thomas is towing the full first lot of stuff. So yeah, how's that? And it's 11 o'clock at night. I've just been working on engines, but yeah, you get that. So I thought I should have a bit of fun and make Thomas the first one to tow the first load of wagons around the track. First official load, shall we say. Because I've just spent the last 3 hours doing bits and pieces and cleaning the track and all sorts of other things. So, yep. So we'll see how slow Thomas can go. So everybody likes to know how slow these things can go. So. No, that's not bad. It's not bad for 2, 4, 6. What do we got? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 carriages behind Thomas. That's not bad, is it? Is it? I wouldn't have thought so. Let's give him a go. And of course he stops. Right on a set of points. Oops, hang on. There we go. No. I knew it would be my luck. Alright, here we go again. What the hell am I doing here? There we go. So yeah, I've even got a G&W wagon at the back. Somehow I think that... Does anybody know? Is that the right way round? Should it be that way? Or should it be this way? Never really know with guards vans. Maybe I think it's supposed to be that way. So the guard can look out the back and say, yep, it's not going where we want it to be. So yeah, bit of fun. Alright, let's have a bit more fun. That's not even flat out yet. That's at that much. Yeah, I'll give you a bird's eye view. Should we go a bit faster? Oh, aren't I terrible to my trains? Aren't I terrible? Oh, shouldn't be that many. Alright, let's go nice and slow. To give you the creep past. One more time? Alright. Alright, let's see. This is the ever so creep crawl that everybody wants to see the trains doing. Oh yeah, that's 11 wagons. That's the slowest we can make it do, yep. So you can see it does do a bit of wheel spin. But that's all of these wagons. So, yeah, it's a few wagons for Thomas to be dragging around, but alright, that's it. And I'm sure Thomas is loving running around the track again. Thanks very much for watching, and bye for now.